For many animals at the Texas Zoo, training is a big part of their day, but they're not being taught to roll over or fetch. These animals are learning how to interact and cooperate with the zookeepers to help with feeding, vet care, and educational interactions, making everything safer and more comfortable for everyone involved.
We want to do voluntary medical behaviors. We're very new school. We don't want to have to tranquilize them for an annual physical or for a health check. We want them to come over just like you go to the doctor. Okay, roll up your sleeve, put on the blood pressure thing. So we're teaching them to lay down, so we can take literally an ultrasound wand and check for pregnancy. Give me your tail. We can voluntarily draw blood. And it's all done very gently and benignly. No drugs, no rodeo catching and that kind of stuff.
But the big key, is you don't want to force them. You never force an animal, because if you force them, they don't want to do it. So your quality of your behavior is not that good. But if you motivate them and they want to do it, they're going to go above and beyond. So your quality of your behavior is going to be much better. It's going to surpass anything. Plus, you don't have fear. The animals are not afraid, and that creates aggression. So we don't want that.
Meet Sophie and Jax. Besides being two of the most popular animals here, these jaguars are also prime examples of this type of training in action.
Good girl. Go ahead, Carrie. Good. That's okay.
It's all about positive reinforcement. When the animal does something the trainer likes, he or she lets the animal know with a marker noise, followed by a treat.
Down. Good girl, so. It's all baby steps with training.
Right.
People are like, oh, so she doesn't lay down. She will, but we baby step our way to that. Sophie. Down. Good.
You have to be really patient.
Sometimes they enjoy a nice scratch behind the ear.
Good girl. Oh, you don't have to eat it. No, we don't want to eat it.
Sometimes.
Oh, Sophie. It's okay. It's okay. It's
She didn't try to grab
okay.
it too hard, actually.
We were going to scratch you behind the ears. That's all.
Much harder.
You're a good girl anyway. Yes, you are. You're my girl. Sophia, up. Yes, there's a lot more there. Sophie, up. You see now? I won't get mad. What I'll do is I'll do a different behavior. Sophie, follow. Good girl. Now I get her back on a positive. Good. See, I kind of let her up too a little bit. Sophie, up. Up. He's coming. Good girl. Go ahead, Carrie. Good. Did you want to give her a piece? You do it just like this. The fingers never go in. It's up to you.
Yeah, I guess I could.
Yay.
A jaguar's bite exerts 1,500 pounds per square inch of pressure. So that might explain why I'm a little nervous about the hand feeding.
Oh, God.
Don't be afraid.
There you go. Just like that. There we go.
Her tongue licked me.
Do you want to do the tongue behavior and feel it? It's very rough. Their tongue is so rough, they rip flesh off of meat carcasses. That's how rough it is. So it's like a cat on steroids. You've got cats' tongues before.
Yeah.
You want to feel hers?
Okay.
Let's do this. Sophie, tongue.
Okay.
She'll lick
Put
your
your
finger.
fingers in.
Sounds easy enough.
So, let's get her back over. Come here, Soph. Good. Come on, Soph. Come on. Good, Teal. Okay, so now you're gonna do it.
Oh, jeez.
So tongue.
Tongue?
Good job. One more time. Teal, sit.
Tongue? No, she doesn't like me.
We just lost her a bit.
She's like, you're fake. You're not going to feed me.
That's all right. We tried. And you get to feed her at least. Not many people should say they can't fed a jaguar.
That's true.
I guess Sophie isn't feeling it today. Jax, on the other hand, was ready to show off his skills for the camera.
Good girl. Good girl, Sophie.
Tongue?
There you go, you got it.
Oh, it is really rough. Like,
Good boy,
I also got like
Teal.
underneath, so it was kind of smooth too.
Good job, T.
It was sloppy.
Good job. I'm proud of you.
You might be able to get a better scratch with him, because he likes the scratches.
Like behind his ear?
Yeah.
You want her to try or me?
You first?
Yeah, you first.
Hi. There you go, buddy. You give you scratches?
You get pretty close.
You give you scratches? You like that? You're a good boy. Oh, there you go.
It's crazy, the personality difference.
For some reason, I was a little more at ease with Jax than I was with Sophie. He's a little bit more of a people person, and that goes with being the mascot for the University of Houston, Victoria.
That was a big piece. Good boy, T. Good boy.
Oh, geez.
Do you want to come on up?
What happened?
I just did the dumbest thing.
Did you put your hand on the fence?
I did.
Yeah.
Well, no, I didn't fully, but I was going to like grab it to help myself up, and I was like, what are you doing? This is not a kitten cage.
That's the
awareness
that.
You can't make a mistake.
Yeah.
I
I like caught myself right before I grabbed it, but that was
there you go.
weird.
Oh, good.
It can't be emphasized enough. These are not pets, they're wild animals. You have to stay alert. Any little mistake could cost you.
Oh, I love you, Tia, with your noises. You're such a good boy. There you go.
Oh.
There you go. Right here, Tio.
Petting a jag.
Having the opportunity to get up close with these animals isn't something people get to do every day, but the Texas Zoo really encourages bonding through this personal experience. After your animal interactions, you'll have a better understanding of why their conservation efforts are so important. To sign up for your own animal interactions, visit the Texas Zoo website at www.texaszoo.org.